Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Barsetto Tripresso portable coffee maker. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. Using the coffee maker with ground coffee is very easy and only takes a few minutes. I use hot water for my coffee, but according to the user manual, it also works with cold water. The coffee maker also comes with a cup cover. It's also very easy to use the coffee maker with an Espresso capsule. Some capsules work better than other capsules with this coffee maker, so you probably have to figure out by yourself which brand you want to buy. I tested the coffee maker for a couple of days and I think it's a good product. I prefer to use it with ground coffee because some capsules are not working properly and I always get a good coffee. It is very easy to operate and it's also easy to clean. So if you're looking for a portable coffee maker that is hand operated and works with capsules and ground coffee, I would recommend the Barsetto Tripresso portable coffee maker. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.